Imagine stepping outside one night and seeing the moon, our calm, glowing friend, suddenly getting bigger. Not because your eyes are playing tricks on you, but because it's actually falling. Yep, the moon is on a direct collision course with Earth. Full moon right arrow globe showing Europe, Africa. What would happen if the moon suddenly crashed into us? Spoiler alert, it's going to be beautiful, terrifying, and very short-lived. Let's start with what keeps the moon where it is. The moon doesn't just hang up there for fun. It's locked in a delicate dance with Earth's gravity. Our planet pulls it in, while the moon's speed keeps it moving in orbit. It's a cosmic tug-of-war that's been perfectly balanced for billions of years. But let's say, somehow, the moon loses its balance. Maybe a rogue planet swings by and knocks it off orbit, or aliens decide to give it a little shove. Suddenly, the moon starts spiraling toward us at incredible speed. At first, you wouldn't notice much. The moon is about 384,000 kilometers away. Even moving fast, it would take several days before things got really weird. But as it comes closer, everything on Earth would start to feel its approach. Tides would go completely insane. Right now, the moon's gravity causes regular ocean tides. But as it gets closer, those tides would grow hundreds of feet tall. Entire coastlines would flood. Cities like New York, Tokyo, and London would disappear under raging waves long before the actual impact. And then there's gravity. The moon's pull would start tugging at Earth's crust. Volcanoes would erupt. Earthquakes would shake continents. The planet's surface would begin to crack under the stress. The closer the moon gets, the worse it becomes. When it finally enters the atmosphere, things get cinematic, like a Michael Bay movie, but with more science and less logic. The moon would be glowing red-hot from friction, leaving a fiery trail across the sky. You wouldn't even need to look up to know it's coming. The entire sky would light up. And then impact. The moon slams into Earth at around 10 kilometers per second. That's like every nuclear bomb on the planet going off millions of times over, all at once. The shockwave would vaporize everything near the crash site. Mountains would flatten. The atmosphere would ignite. The collision would throw so much rock and dust into space that Earth would basically become a glowing, molten mess again, like it was billions of years ago. The oceans would boil. The sky would vanish. And both the moon and Earth would merge into one gigantic ball of magma. Volcano. The debris thrown into space might form a new ring around what's left of Earth, kind of like Saturn's, except made from, well, us. So yeah, if the moon ever crashes into Earth, it's game over for everything. Humans, plants, TikTok, and even the cockroaches. But don't worry, this will never happen naturally. The moon is actually drifting away from us every year by about 1.5 inches. So instead of falling, it's slowly ghosting us. And in a weird way, we owe a lot to this relationship. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, gives us tides, and even helped life evolve on land. Without it, our planet would be a very different place, maybe even unlivable. So the next time you see the moon glowing peacefully in the night sky, take a second to appreciate it. It's not just a pretty face. It's the reason life on Earth works the way it does. Full Moon Blue Heart. If you enjoyed this cosmic disaster, hit that like button, share it with your favorite space nerd, and tell me in the comments, what if scenario should we explore next? And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more science with a side of chaos. Because in this universe, even the moon could crash the party. Winking face.